Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Tuesday, 9 July. We're sponsored by Interlux, maker of the original edgeless code. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. We want to give our first shout out to Marshall Miles, CEO of Inventronics. This picture was taken at Light and Building at his booth in Frankfurt in March earlier this year. Hello, Marshall. Mark Ray of Mount Sinai's Light and Health Research Center examines the assumptions behind energy codes requiring lighting controls and proposes 6 considerations for specifiers to ensure occupant-centric lighting selections. Read more at designinglighting.com. McDonald's is upgrading many of their 28,000 locations with 3D printed luminaires working with Philips My Creation. We link to the MSN story, and I think the most important part of the story is that McDonald's is pursuing intellectual property rights for those 3D printed luminaires. Max 2 Agencies in Vancouver expands its power quality team to meet growing market demands, integrating advanced products and seasoned professionals for enhanced client solutions. Blank Page Theater Company is hiring a lighting designer for its film festival in New York City 9 through 11 August. Apply by 12 July. Details at designinglighting.com. And yesterday the Dow lost 31 points, but NASDAQ gained 51, another record high. Orion lost 4%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.